Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make tasty chicken feet curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 12 chicken feet. Cut the nails off using a scissors. Soak it in water with 2 teaspoons of vinegar for 10 minutes and rinse it well. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, some oil for cooking, some hot water, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning which is optional, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 small onion which I have chopped, and 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves. Take a large pot, put it on medium heat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, mix it and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add ginger and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add chicken feet, chili powder, curry powder, turmeric, pepper, chicken seasoning and salt. Mix it well and cook it for 1 minute. Add enough hot water to cover the chicken feet. Mix it well. Put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, mix it again. Put the lid back on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes, stirring it frequently. After 20 minutes, mix it again and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. My tasty chicken feet is ready and you can make it and serve it on its own or with some buttered toast, rice, puris or roti. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.